Good morning friends, I am Dr. C. Sharath Kumar. Today I am going to show you how we can recycle the thermocol boxes and make pots out of the boxes. This is one thermocol box. It's a waste thermocol box. You can see colored tapes have been wound around the thermocol box. It gives good look as well as strength to the thermocol box, and the flops of the boxes have been used as platform, you can see, and aloe vera plant has been grown inside the pot. You can see number of such pots. See how the aloe vera is growing nicely in the thermocol box. Color tapes give decorum, and see the beautiful flower from the aloe vera, lovely flower. Rare to see the aloe vera flower. Lovely flower. And you can see the boxes here, 3 colors tape has been wound around the box, and you can see the aloe vera plant growing nicely. One more. They give aesthetic look and also the plants are also growing nicely. Newly planted plant. So the thermocol entire box is fully used, and also the plants are growing nicely. So friends, start collecting the thermocol boxes, and also never waste any part of the thermocol box. Keep it. They can be used as pillars, platform, and even for small plants you can grow the rest of the thermocol flap also. So this is how thermocol is being used in our garden. You can see the puppies nicely walking, and lovely garden all round. You can see the thermocol box. See how nicely the aloe vera is growing. Lovely plant. Friends, thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, press the like button, and if you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you. Dr. C. Sharath Kumar signing off.